Hi, my name is Matthew, and this week's meditation topic is me who's attached to things I want to do. So, growing up, I was actually a very shy and sheltered kid, and so I felt like I didn't really get to experience many things. I was always just doing what my parents or what society wanted me to do. And so, as I got older, I actually felt like I didn't really know myself, and I didn't know what I wanted. And so I just thought that if I had a good career, if I got in good physical shape, if I had a good relationship, or if I had many hobbies that I enjoyed doing, then I would be happy. And so I tried to take steps towards actually achieving those goals, but I always had so much anxiety that sometimes it was just hard to get started. And on top of that, the things that I was able to start and do, they didn't really bring me that lasting happiness that I was looking for, and so I would just end up quitting. After I started meditation, I started to realize that the things I thought would make me happy weren't what I truly wanted. All I was doing was looking at other people and what made them happy, what made them successful, and I was just trying to do that. So as I meditated, I realized that my happiness isn't dependent on the things that others want me to do or achieve. That true happiness it's getting to know myself, my strengths and my weaknesses. And as I've been meditating and helping my local center, I was able to try new things, and I was able to find things that I'm good at, things that I enjoy doing, and even things that I need to improve. Now, after meditating, I'm so grateful to know that true happiness is something that exists within me. And now I feel like I can just be happy with where I'm at and just enjoy the process of whatever it is I'm doing.